Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is Alkem. Before the video, please like our video so that it can reach to other viewers who are looking for jobs. Let us see complete details in this video. This is full-time job opportunity. These walk-in are conducted at 29th September 2024 Sunday. Time is 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. And you can see walk-in for position is QC formulation and designation is Executive Senior Officer and qualification is MSc Bpharma and experience is 1 to 9 years of experience, RMFG stability analytical, and another position is QA formulation and designation is Executive Senior Officer and qualification is BPharma Mpharm graduates apply to this position and skills is IPQA, shop floor activities and handling of market complaints and investigation and handling of CA, PA, EC and external audits and process validation, equipment utility qualification and engineering QA activities. And another position is production formulation and designation is Executive Senior Officer Technical Associate and qualification is BPharma Mpharm Dpharm Diploma Bsc ITI graduates apply to this position and skills is core manufacturing area, Wester pellet coating, bottom spray and granulation and compression, capsule, liquid line, Bisler CVC. Documents are required to copy of your resume, salary breakup and increment letter, passport size photograph, copy of Aadhaar card and PAN card. And venue is the Queenie Hotel, Goa, Airport Road, NH 17B, Welsaw, Goa. And regulatory knowledge and 21 CFR Part 11 understanding in must. These are the details regarding walk-in interview. For more job updates, please join our WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group link is available in description box below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family members. Thank you for watching this video. For job updates, subscribe to YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. Bye. See you in the next video.